Okay, so today we are going to take kits and make them better because they are really boring. Right, so I look at this Ireland kit and none of it resembles Ireland. The only thing you've got is like the colours. That's it. I'd say the colours represented obviously the Ireland badge, but it's poor. This is horrid. This sky logo in the middle it's not the one. I have the perfect logo design. Bang! That is so much better already. That sky logo, that plain sky logo is gone. Guinness from Ireland, Dublin, Ireland. Looks great. I do want to change the black text because it just doesn't go on this kit. We'll change that to white and let's see how that looks. How much better does that look already? That sky logo was ruining it. Right, so when I think of Ireland, I think of 4-leaf clovers. Don't ask why, but I do. And I want to implement that into this design. So this is the before, and this is the after. Tell me this clover design doesn't look great on this kit. It looks absolutely beautiful. So this is the before, and this is the after. Tell me in the comments what you would rate it out of 10. I personally think it's a 7. But the question is, what kit do we do next? Right, so looking at this Chelsea 25-26 kit, I think we can do better than that. Let's have a look. So thinking of Stamford Bridge and Chelsea, I decided to go with this stadium as a threshold at the bottom of the kit, like a gradient kind of thing. And I think that looks perfect. I don't know what you think, but I think it looks quite good. Last but not least on this kit, all I need to do is change the sleeves and the colour, which I'm going to keep really simple because Chelsea, they like simple kits. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. I am quite happy with this kit. I am a Chelsea fan as myself. I would wear this kit. Tell me what you think in the comments. Let's get on with another one. Okay, so looking at this Man City one, it just looks like a template and that really bothers me. So let's come up with a better design for Man City. Okay, so the idea I had in mind was the Etihad being in like a skyline kind of thing, and this is what I came up with. And I'm not gonna lie, I really like that. It's got all like Manchester landmarks, and then the Etihad is right down there. That is lovely. Just putting the Puma logo in now, it didn't really stand out, so I thought, let's put a stroke on it, and I used the same colour as the skyline. So I've gone back to the original design of the logo and the sponsor logo in the middle, and I think it looks quite good on this kit, to be fair. There's no middle logo, which is, it happens in football, but yeah, I think this looks quite good. And now we've got to do the collar and the sleeves. So for these sleeve cut off bits, I've just gone for the same colour as the skyline just to make it all match. And just to add a bit of detail, I am going to put when they were founded inside of the jersey itself, right here, and we're going to change that to gold. Apart from that, we have done. This kit is done, and this is the design on another mock-up. I'm not going to lie, this might be even better than the first one. Again, so that is the before, and this is the after. I think I am quite happy with this design. But yeah, I've really enjoyed making this video today, guys. I'm not going to lie. I have had a lot of fun making kits and like being creative. But yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, it's short because I'm still learning how to make the type of videos. But if you want more and more and more, I will produce. I can promise you that now. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like the video. Tell me your favourite kit in the comments. But yeah, love you guys to death. Bye bye.